What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Honor 90 and Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphones to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, everyday performance, and in terms of benchmarking test score results. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with Antutu benchmark. So Honor 90 scored 597,026 and Tecno Camon 20 Premier scored 684,235. So as you can see, the winner is Tecno Camon 20 Premier. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX. And as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is better compared to Honor 90 here. The biggest difference is coming from the GPU section. So you can expect that the gaming performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is going to be better compared to Honor 90. Let's have a look on 3D Mark. So this test is divided in multiple parts. So as you can see that Tecno Camon 20 Premier is so strong that it maxed out on Slingshot Extreme and so on Slingshot as well. So we are going to compare the result of Wildlife and Wildlife Extreme only. So Honor 90 scored 3,179 in Wildlife and 865 in Wildlife Extreme, while Tecno Camon 20 Premier scored 4,562 in Wildlife and 1,316 in Wildlife Extreme. So as you can see, in both of these, performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is better compared to Honor 90, and since 3D Mark is a GPU benchmarking test, it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. It is sure that the gaming performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G is going to be better compared to Honor 90. If we compare the FPS generated, you can see once again Tecno is performing better compared to Honor here. This is for Wildlife. If we go to Wildlife Extreme, once again performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is better compared to Honor 90 in FPS generation as well. So the gameplay will be smoother and better on Tecno Camon 20 Premier compared to Honor 90. Let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the last test, and that's the Geekbench 5. So this time the difference is not too much and it's mixed result, as Honor 90 scored 823 in single core and 3,124 in multi-core, while Tecno Camon 20 Premier scored 854 in single core and 3,077 in multi-core. So in single core the winner is Tecno Camon 20 Premier, and in multi-core the winner is Honor 90. But if we talk about overall performance of both of these devices, we can see that most of the time the performance of Tecno Camon 20 Premier is better compared to Honor 90. And that's why in the benchmarking test score result we can say the winner is Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G smartphone here. But Honor 90 is also a brilliant smartphone and it comes with its own pros and cons. I will make a detailed comparison video of both of these devices that will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.